Hi everybody, Lisa from JoyfullyArt, here to do another video for you. Hope everybody's doing good. First off, I'm going to show you the dried painting from my last video. Came out beautiful, dried perfect. Don't know if you can see the white lines that I wanted from adding the white paint with the violet. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Turned out great. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to try a new technique to do a feather. I've seen Olga Solby do it. You should check out her channel. She's wonderful. So I'm going to try doing it her way. I've never done it before, so if it doesn't turn out, we'll do something else. Okay, so let's get going. So if I want to put my white down. Whoa, I think my white is just a little bit thin. We'll get this put down here. And she always leaves some in the middle open where her feather is going to be. She says it does better so the feather doesn't sink into the paint. So we'll just go ahead and do that too and see what happens. All right. Oh, that floetrol. I have some floetrol and boy, does it smell bad. Okay, have my cup. I'm going to layer my paints, and I'm not sure of the colors, but I'll be sure and be listing them in the description box below. And I'm just working on an 8x10, so if it doesn't turn out, I'm not wasting a big canvas. Kind of like a oh, if I can get this open, there we go. It's kind of like a kiss pour. Probably think this is enough. You don't have to use it all. For this little bitty canvas. Okay. Make sure that I pinch my thing, get my white. And then let's see, I want to kind of do it, turn my canvas so I can go up this way. Oh, you can see something in here already. There we go. All right. All right, we're going to give it a good try. Here we go. Alrighty then. Paint back over here. Let's see how it turned out. Don't know about it. She always moves hers a little bit. Got dog hair. I don't know if I got it or whether it just seeped down in there more. Doesn't look much like a feather, does it? Maybe we'll just stretch it out and go for something different. I think I got too much paint. Oh, that looks kind of cool. Maybe we'll try a feather another time. Ha! It's not a feather, but it's still kind of cool looking, isn't it? Make sure I get my sides all done around here with the white. Kind of digging that. What do y'all think? I like it. Something different. Put it back the way it was. I kind of like that. Short and sweet, to the point. Let me get my hands wiped off. Turn the rag out of here. That'll work best, I think. I get paint all over the bag. Give it a torch. The globe's falling off. Oh, I knew I was running out of butane. I should have filled it up. Why are those pesky? Air bubbles. All right. Close up for y'all. Got some cells coming up in there. I think it's kind of neat looking. I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a thumbs up, please. It helps with my placement with YouTube. Share with your family and friends. Please leave me a comment if you want to see me do anything. I do commission work. You can get all my information in the description box below. And I'll be back on my regular schedule when I get back from our vacation. Right now, just look for me on Thursdays. So, as always, please have a great day.